Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another ital Eats and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. Today I am in Hamburg, Germany, trying out some of the best vegan options in the city, and honestly this was one of the most vegan friendly cities I have ever been to. I was incredibly shocked. So they have these things in Germany and in Portugal as well called kebabs. Mostly in Germany they call them doner kebabs, and they're basically like wraps that are basically in pita bread. I'm kind of confused as to why they call it kebab, because kebab is really just like meat on a stick. But I got a vegan version and this is one of the best wraps I have had in my entire life. It was so well seasoned and incredibly delicious. I decided to save that for lunch and eat it at a park, and I went to this cat themed cafe for breakfast and had a pancake. And fun fact, I'm actually allergic to cats, but I just decided to tough it out because they had really good pancakes, and I thought the idea and theme of a cat cafe was super cute, and they're adopted from all over the world and they're very much taken care of. And I love to see good treatment of animals, especially at a fully vegan cafe.
Pressure in my vessel, so I pop. Got me thinking about being what I'm not. Got me questioning my dreams. Do I even got a shot?
The pancake was really good, but it was low-key giving a bit uncooked vibes and made my stomach hurt a little bit. But afterwards, I walked to this gorgeous botanical garden and sat and just contemplated life and enjoyed the scenery.
Yeah. Alright.
So this random German girl came up to me and started speaking in German, and I said, "I'm sorry, do you know English?" And then she said, "Yes, I just wanted to let you know that you are beautiful and I hope you have an amazing day." And on that day, I was not having an amazing day. I was all up in my head, just questioning my worth and everything. And if you know anything about German people, is that they are not necessarily the type of people to compliment. They're just very straightforward, very serious people. So the fact that that happened to me was even more special, like 10 times more special than it would have happened in another country. And honestly, I really feel like she was sent from God, because she made my day 100 times better.
It's time for that ching, and I've been moving, baby, on the move, and I've been grooving lately. Off of you, on me, I'm floating on the beat. OG, I'm moving with the speed. I had to hit that stepping groove.
So after I had breakfast and I had that doner kebab and enjoyed it in that gorgeous botanical garden, I decided to try this vegan Korean place. I thought this was so cool because I've barely had Korean food in my life. If you know me, I am a Jamaican person, so majority of the food I eat is Jamaican, but I'm trying my hardest to expand to different flavors and different cuisines and different cultures. And now I think Korean food is very high on my radar. This is also one of the first times of me trying gochujang, and it was super incredible. I tried it with these rice cakes, aka tteokbokki. And if you ever find yourself in Hamburg, Germany, regardless of whether or not you're vegan, it's a must try. There was this gorgeous fruit stand right across the street from the hostel I was staying at, and every day I looked at it, and every time I walked past it, I just wanted to go and buy so many different fruit and vegetables, because it just kind of reminded me of Jamaica and other places that have foreign and tropical fruits. So I loved the vibes that this stall was giving, and I decided to get a bunch of nectarines because nectarines hit 10 times harder when they're in the summertime. I decided to catch a train. It was literally just like 1 or 2 stops away to go to this vegan restaurant that somebody recommended me to try and said I couldn't absolutely not leave Hamburg without going here. It's called Shea Vegan. I hope I pronounced it correctly, but it's basically popular Southeast Asian food, like Thai food, Vietnamese food, and everything. And it was really good. I decided to stick with a pho, keep it very simple, and it reminded me back of my time in Vietnam. About a year ago when I celebrated my 22nd birthday, and the taste was very authentic. It tasted very similar to the pho that I got in Hanoi, Vietnam, from this one vegan lady who spoke absolutely zero English but sold the best vegan pho I had ever had in my life.
Oh no, is you in love? Ooh, you go about your business. Come on now, go about your life. Ooh, 'cause you ain't got no time to waste. Come on now, so please don't waste mine. Ooh, hey, baby, oh yeah, we're so good looking at a fun love last night.
I have one more what I eat in a week in Berlin, Germany, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And thank you all so much for watching and staying tuned for this series. I'll catch you on the next one, and we're going to be back to our regular what I eat in a day uploads very soon. Bye!
Something about your smile, it just made